Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2015 GMC Sierra SLT Double Cab 4-Wheel Drive, stock number E2470AA. 73,000 miles on this local trade. Bronze alloy metallic in color. Sierra is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility. Z71 off-road suspension package. Includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate, backup camera, and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of power outlets for all your electronics, and a large storage space in the armrest. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, the Sierra has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Sierra, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.